Welcome. I am so grateful you are here. You can begin with your hands in prayer pose or resting your hands down in your lap, whatever serves you. As we begin to set our intention, focusing on Romans 12:2. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Go deep within. Set that intention for what it is that you desire for the renewing and transformation of your mind. And create that intention now. Staying focused on this intention. Getting ready for your physical, spiritual transformation. Trusting that everything is unfolding in perfect divine time. Gently inhale the arms high up to the heavens and exhale one hand down and the other arm up and over. Stretching the body. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to the other side, taking that deep stretch. Inhale back to center. And taking the stretch to the first side again. Inhale back to center. And exhale one more time to the opposite side. Inhale to center. And exhale, twisting open to one side. Allowing this transformation to begin physically, mentally, and emotionally. Inhale back to center and exhale, twisting open to the opposite side. Inhale to center again and twisting at your own pace to both sides. Keeping to mind and heart, do not conform to the patterns of this world. Staying focused on your intention. Inhale back to center. And exhale, fold forward. Surrendering down. Allowing the transformation to begin and to continue, not just now, but throughout the rest of the day and for your lifetime. Inhale, coming back to center. Coming over onto the hands and knees, coming into tabletop. Take some cat-cows, moving with your breath, moving with your body's intention and movement, creating flexibility. As you begin to experience the renewing of your mind, eyes could be closed, taking the gaze deep within, focusing on that intention for the transformation. Moving with your breath. And then inhale the right foot in between the hands, coming into this lunge. Bringing the spine straight, resting the hands on the right knee. Long inhales and exhales. Bring both hands down to the earth and sit back into this hamstring stretch as you trust God's pleasing and perfect will, bowing into it. Inhaling back into that lunge, pausing there a moment, coming through tabletop. Nope, moving into pigeon. Change of mind. God's always transforming us. And as you move into your pigeon, maybe bowing forward, surrendering to the earth, trusting God's perfect timing, trusting His will, and allowing yourself to experience this spiritual reset. Beginning to release the pose, coming up out of your pigeon and coming through tabletop, making any micro movements that your body intuition desires before we go over to the left side, moving mindfully. And when you're ready, stepping the left foot in between both hands, coming into this lunge position. And then bringing the hands up on top of the left knee, pausing there, stretching into your lunge, experiencing the transformation of your mind, the renewing of your mind. Just noticing your thoughts in this moment, and then bringing both hands down to the earth and sitting back into this hamstring stretch. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, surrendering and allowing God to renew your mind to His perfect will. Begin to release and come down into pigeon pose on the left side, moving mindfully, allowing the breath to guide you, and coming forward if that's part of your practice today. Surrendering so that you can deepen your connection with God, to receive the transformation and renewing of the mind. Surrender into the pose. Begin to release your pigeon pose on the left side, coming through tabletop again. What gentle movements is your body intuition calling for as you transition down into child's pose, surrendering to God, surrendering your will, and trusting in His divine timing with the transformation of your mind, the renewing of your mind. Begin to release your child's pose. Coming into a seated position and bringing the hands over the heart, pausing and focusing on your practice and saying to yourself or out loud, Lord, renew my mind so that my life reflects your will. Lord, renew my mind so that my life reflects your will. Thank you for your time, trusting in your mind, God's perfect timing, trusting in the transformation